All right, welcome to the part 2 of how to sew the front side of your pocket. All right, I left a detailed explanation on the part 1. The part 1 we sewed, I taught you how to sew um, the front side, the right hand side of the front piece of your trouser or pants. Okay, in this video I will not give a detail of how we go about it. All right, if you need a detailed one, I dropped the link for the part 1 of this. There I explained the reason why we did what we did, and so here all you just need to do is to watch me on how to do it. For you to understand the part 2 more, you need to watch the part 1. All right, and so here is the pocketing. This is the pocketing, and this is to indicate that this is the down part of my pocketing. So I'll put my pocketing, all right, and then I placed this on it, okay, and then I sew. All right, then you turn it this way. You can see the way I did it. Okay, it was like this. I turned it this way, and then I fold this. I said in the part 1 that this is 1/4. Okay, but before folding, you make sure you cut this out. Okay, I explained in the part 1 the reason for cutting this out. Cut it out, and then you fold with 1/4 inch inside. Okay, and then the next thing is to sew the facing, the pocket facing. As you can see, this is the pocket facing, and then you place it here. And so the next thing is you sew 1/4 inch, 1/4 of an inch. All right, Then what I need to do, I bring it down here and to meet with this. Okay. All right. And so fold it. Then we said 2.5, right? Okay. Two and a half. Okay. Leave it there at 2.5, and then alright, so cut the excess, as you can see. And so the next thing is you bring this up this way. So like I said, 3/4 of an inch. Alright, and then you placed your hand in the pocket and bring the pocket out. Bring the pocket out this way. I hope this video has been of help to you. Please do well to click like. If this video have added value to you, don't forget to share this video. If you are new to my channel, please do not forget to smash the subscribe button. Any question, please drop it at the comment section. All right. As we can see, I'm through. All right. So you see it's neat. All right, now to do a finishing touch, like I said, take this to the iron and you iron it for you to get a neat work. Because of the tutorial purpose, okay, all you just need to do is, because of the tutorial purpose, I won't be I'm taking it to the iron for ironing, okay, but I will ensure that it is smooth. Okay, it is smooth and neat. So watch. For you to get a perfect, and I mean a perfect, it will be better than what I'm doing now, is for you to iron it first. First thing is for you to iron it first. You know, clients are interested in neat work. A good finished neat work, okay, and that the style is fine, good for them, and also the size, it is to their taste, okay. So, do well to share this video with others. Don't forget, this is Duke's signature. See you in our next video. Bye.